Have your car shut off while you are driving? As a camshaft position sensor weakens, the ECM engine control module switches off fuel and spark delivery. That can be a dangerous situation. If you ignore the symptoms which your camshaft position sensor fails, or any other list here, eventually your engine will not start. Hello everyone. Today, let's see what are the symptoms of a bad or failing camshaft position sensor that you need to know. Here are the common symptoms of a bad camshaft position sensor, which are the engine stalling, check engine light comes on, poor deliverability, transmission shifting problems, bad fuel economy, engine idles roughly, smell of gas. These are the signs that a car problem can be found before it gets serious. Although your car won't fail immediately if the camshaft position sensor has a problem, but your vehicle's overall performance will degrade over time. These symptoms may appear together or separately. Normally, the check engine light will come on in conjunction with one or more symptoms. Since the camshaft has an important role, when it is not good, it will also cause many problems. So you might be wondering, what is a camshaft position sensor, and why is it so important? The camshaft position sensor location is near the camshaft, usually on top of or around the valve cover. This is an electronic device that helps a vehicle's computer get the maximum performance out of the engine. The main function is to monitor the camshaft position upon speed and provides the data to the vehicle's ECM, which in return to use this information to deliver engine power. These parts work together to ensure the right amount of fuel and air to the combustion chamber and ensure the engine works at the right moment. So if the camshaft position sensor is not working properly, it will cause your vehicle to have problems to start, to accelerate or to stall, so on and so on. That's why it is one of the important parts of the car engine. If you can add more features of a camshaft sensor, please comment below to share with us. Next question is, what causes a camshaft sensor to go bad? There are numerous reasons that cause a camshaft position sensor to go bad. The main causes may be a damaged time bed, bad wiring, overheating, crankworks, etc., etc. Some of these also include wear and tear, water damage, and oil embedded in the engine. This can also damage the engine's camshaft, since these things will build up over time. If there is a problem, the engine control module and associated wiring may need to be replaced. It may even be necessary to replace the camshaft position sensor. While it is not uncommon for a camshaft sensor to fail completely, and sometimes that could be related to other engine parts. The easiest way is to prevent dirt buildup. Make sure the engine is cleaned regularly, and also check the sensors at least once a year when you get your car serviced. Very first step to deal with any CEL on situation is to plug on the diagnose tool and to see the faulty cords. If the check engine light comes on, this can happen for multiple reasons, and a mechanic needs to diagnose the specific cause for this cord to be triggered in your situation. For example, the P0340 is a faulty cord for camshaft position sensor circuit malfunction. It could be the wires leading to the camshaft sensor fail, or the sensor itself has a faulty. The reasons to trigger P034040 code could be a damaged crankshaft position sensor, ECM value, ECM software update required, damage or dirty reluctance ring on the camshaft, poor wiring, corrosion, short circuit of a camshaft position sensor circuit, damage, corrode, shorten camshaft position sensor circuit connector, stretch or misalign timing components. So very important is how to fix the P0340 code. After figuring out the cause of a faulty camshaft position sensor, we recommend to find a professional repair shop nearby to pinpoint the problems. According to the mechanic recommendation to fix the followings. 1. Replace the crankshaft position sensor. 2. Repair or replace camshaft position sensor circuit or connector. 3. If a misfire code comes on, tune up the vehicle before replacing the camshaft position sensor. Replace or reprogram the PCM, powertrain control module. Let's say now you have the feeling that your camshaft sensor is failing. Although the camshaft position sensor is small, it is very important to your car's engine. Your car can also stall when a camshaft sensor fails. This can be dangerous for you, your passengers, and everyone on the road. Be sure to thoroughly check the system before making any decisions. It's best to take your car to a professional mechanic right away and let them fix the problem. So the conclusion is, replacing the camshaft position sensor is a good way to fix the camshaft position sensor symptoms. If you experience the signs of a faulty camshaft position sensor, please addressing the problem immediately. That can prevent additional values and higher service cost. As for the camshaft position sensor repair cost, generally speaking, it is an average of $160 to $240, including the labor cost. Following any other auto parts replacement, the cost is varied by the model, the year of car, as well as the cost of the individual repair shop. We hope this article can help you a lot. If you like it, please kindly share. More information and content are in HJL Auto Parts. Thanks for watching.